Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Vencord installed and Discord closed. Open Vencord Theme Manager and import a theme file or use the built-in browser to install. Once imported, enable the theme toggle so Vencord can apply styles at startup. Make sure to keep a backup of your current theme settings before switching. This prevents loss if a theme conflicts. You'll now have the theme listed and ready to customize in the next steps. Now customize themes by ordering them so higher priority styles override lower ones. Open the Vencord editor to edit variables like primary color, fonts, and spacing. This keeps changes modular and reversible. Once edits are saved, reload Discord to apply them and inspect elements with dev tools to fix specific selectors. If a theme uses custom scripts or assets, ensure paths are correct and permissions granted. Repeat testing until layout and colors match your intended look and function. Finalize by exporting your theme pack and documenting any non-standard assets used. Once done, restart Discord and verify responsiveness across Windows and mobile if supported. If things go wrong, disable the most recent theme and revert to your backup. This isolates the issue quickly. Make sure to clear Discord cache and Vencord caches, and only then consider reinstalling Vencord. One key tip: check for selectors that conflict with Discord updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.